If it feels like your website traffic isn't growing the way it used to, even though you've been doing everything right with SEO, you're not imagining things. Search is changing and AI is actually leading that big shift. You know, generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Google's search generative experience don't just show us a list of links anymore. They're answering questions, pulling content from websites, sometimes referencing your site, other times just summarizing it without even sending users or visitors your way. So what does it mean for your content? It means that the rules have changed and it's time to evolve from traditional SEO into what's being now called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. It's about making sure your content doesn't just exist online, but actually surfaced, cited, and featured in AI-generated answers. Let's be clear, SEO isn't dead, it's essential, but GEO is the SEO upgrade for how AI actually works. It's less about generating algorithms and more about writing content that answers real questions, reads naturally, and is too helpful not to be used by AI tools. So how do you make your content GEO friendly? So here are 5 things that I've been reviewing. Okay, 1, speak how people speak. AI tools operate in conversation mode. Use natural and real language to answer common questions. Go deeper, don't just scratch the surface, offer context-related insights and real-world examples. Keep it structured. Use clear headings, bullet points, and skimmable formatting. AI loves structure. And then you want to build trust. Cite sources, include stats, use expert quotes. AI engines prioritize credibility. And lastly, you can use schema markup. This is behind the scenes, helps the code understand what your page is really about so AI can interpret it before it starts reading all the content. Okay, so let's say you're a personal finance brand and you want to show up when someone asks ChatGPT, how can you save me money on my groceries? Well, traditional SEO says this. They say, hey, use that phrase 5 times in 500 words. But no, GEO says, hey, give a real world advice. Break it down, use links, case studies, and answer follow-ups. Format like it's a conversation. Get it? All right, so here's the catch. Even if AI uses your content, it might not actually send traffic your way. And that's the reality of a zero-click searches these days, where people get answers without even clicking through anything. It's happening more and more. Even without a click, brands' visibility still matters. Showing up in these AI answers means that you're a trusted source. So how do you measure GEO success? Well, here's what to track. Feature snippets or answer box appearances, mentions in tools like Perplexity or ChatGPT, engagement and on-page citations and AI responses, and voice search visibility. And there are lots of tools like AI traffic analytics or AI search grader to help evaluate how well your content is aligning with all the search engine for AI principles. Search isn't just evolving, it's already evolved. And if you want your content to stay visible, it's time to think beyond just keywords these days. At Brandastic, we help brands create content that's not only built for people, but built to be understood by AI to be featured through all the AI searches. So if you want to make sure your content is ready in this new era of search, hey, let's connect.